हाय एवरीवन, आई एम मोनिका एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल सिमला DIY। आज मैं बनाने वाली हूँ 3 वॉल डेकोर आइटम्स। ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा सिंपल है, सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी मच टाइम लेट्स गेट स्टार्ट विद द वीडियो। So guys, for the first DIY I am taking these round MDF coasters. I have got these from Amazon and I'll put the link in the description box below if you want to buy the same. So first I'll start painting it with black acrylic paint. I'll do only one coat as I felt that second coat is not required. So once I'm done painting all the 6 coasters, I'll start writing what I have decided. So मैंने डिसाइड किया है कि मैं इस पे फैमिली लिखूंगी, like 1 alphabet on each coaster of family. आप लोग चाहें तो फैमिली की जगह कुछ और भी लिख सकते हैं, जैसे कि लव, हैप्पीनेस, फ्रीडम, गुड वाइब्स और एनीथिंग व्हाट यू वांट। माय लिटिल किड इज ट्राइंग टू टेक द F coaster from me. Now I'll paint all the alphabets with white acrylic paint. आप लोग दूसरे कलर कॉम्बिनेशंस भी ट्राई कर सकते हैं। मैंने यहाँ पे ब्लैक एंड वाइट लिया है। And once I'm done painting all the alphabets, I'll start doing dot mandala art. मैं यहाँ पे पूरे कोस्टर पे मंडाला आर्ट नहीं करूँगी। I'll just choose specific areas जहाँ पे मैं थोड़ा छोटे छोटे मंडाला आर्ट्स बनाऊँगी। मैं यहाँ पे मल्टीपल कलर्स ले रही हूँ और ब्राइट कलर्स ले रही हूँ। डॉट मंडाला आर्ट करने के बहुत सारे डिफरेंट टेक्निक्स होती हैं। इफ़ यू गाइज वांट आई विल मेक अ सेपरेट वीडियो फॉर दैट। Let me know in the comment section below if you guys want a tutorial video of dot mandala art. Mandala art is easy and it's so much fun to do, but obviously it takes lots of time to do mandala art. So guys, you need lots of patience if you're doing a dot mandala art. So I'm putting the rest of the dot mandala art video in a fast forward motion. Just enjoy the process, guys. So guys, this is the final look. What do you guys think about it? Let me know in the comment section below. And I have stick this with the double-sided tape on the wall. After this, let's move to the second DIY. For this I am taking A4 pastel colored sheets. The colors are just lovely, and I'll start marking 10.5 by 10.5 centimeter squares on the paper. Once I am done with the marking on all the sheets, I'll cut it with the help of a scale and paper cutter. Use only steel scale and paper cutter to cut the straight lines of paper to get the sharp edges. Now move to the important part of this. Start folding the paper as I am showing you guys. The process of folding it is very easy. You just need to remember all the steps. To make the crisp folds, crisp lines, just use the fingernails like this. I hope you guys followed all the steps correctly. Now fold this triangle inside and take the other side and put it inside this triangle. Just watch it again if you guys didn't get it. Doing this again. Once you'll get it how to fold it, you will find it very easy. So do this on all the squares. And now take a cardboard sheet and roughly arrange all the pyramids on the cardboard. Once I get my desired look, I'll start pasting it with the Fevicol. So after pasting all the pyramids, I'll keep it aside for drying. And I have few pyramids left. I'll stick the thread on each pyramid of about 10 inches. I'll cut the extras later. So once I'm done with it, I'll just arrange how I want these to look. And after arranging it, I'll flip everything. And now I'll stick these with the help of a masking tape. And I'll cut the extra threads. So with this my second DIY is ready. Now I'll cut the extra cardboard also. And with the help of a double-sided tape, I have stick it to the wall. So guys, what do you think? I find it so lovely. The colors are looking so beautiful on a white wall. So moving to the third DIY. These are the she cells I found in my home. These are like 6 to 8 years old. ये सारे थ्रेड में पिरोए हुए हैं. मैं इसका थ्रेड निकाल दूंगी और I'll keep only the shells. So here I am taking a cardboard sheet on which I am drawing a very basic shape of a fish. You can draw any shape. So once I get the desired shape of a fish, I'll start cutting the fish. So now I'll start arranging the shells. To show face and body separately, I am keeping this line in white color. और आई के लिए भी मैंने शेल को उल्टा रखा है. Now I'll start pasting these. Now I'll start sticking the shells on face and the body. The texture on the shells is lovely. So just paste. I am taking here extra glue so that these don't fall off later. अगर आप लोग चाहें तो शेल्स की जगह कोई और मटेरियल भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, जैसे कि पिस्ता शेल्स, बीड्स और एनीथिंग एल्स. So guys, this is the final look. I'll keep it for drying and then stick it to the wall. Okay, so I think that this looks lovely and it's easy as well. Now we'll see the final look of all 3 DIY decor items on the wall. I think that all the 3 items turned out really well. What do you guys think about it? So guys, that's it for today's video. आप लोग को तीनों वॉल डेकोर आइटम है, इसमें जो भी सबसे अच्छा लगा हो नीचे कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करके बताइए। अगर आप लोग को वीडियो अच्छा लगा है तो प्लीज़ इस वीडियो को लाइक करिए एंड मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए अगर आप लोग ऐसे और वीडियो देखना चाहते हैं तो। और प्लीज़ बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलें, क्योंकि अगर आप लोग बेल आइकन नहीं दबाएंगे तो आप लोगों को मेरे वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन नहीं मिलेगी। थैंक यू सो मच गाइज फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो। टिल देन बाय बाय।